There's been so many changes since I talked about my bringing up in a small town in Saskatchewan. The world is so small now. There's no place. When I was a young girl, I dreamt of going to Africa. I never thought I'd be ever able to do that. I've been 3 times. I mean, it was just so far away. Nothing is very far away anymore. We can do really whatever we want to do and go almost anywhere you want to go with the air travel that we have. And then you just marvel at how connected you can be to everyone. Also, healthcare. Healthcare, the research and the things that have changed the way we are able to cure people and what we know about diseases that used to kill and cripple now can be cured. So that's huge, the changes that have been made. And I guess the other change that I would add to that I'm just thinking about now, because I know so much more about it, is the environment. The environmental issues that we never thought about before. We didn't really think about recycling, except I go back to what I told you about gardens. We were huge recyclers, even if we didn't know it. We had a compost because that was going to help your garden next year. It was a very practical purpose, and it had a need. And now composting is kind of something that people are feeling they're inventing. They say, compost, how great. It's just really common sense. But anyway, I've learned so much, and part of that was being on the board of Suncor, which is a very responsible, environmental responsible company, and to see what they're doing in northern Alberta and with the oil sands and the reclamation and how important it is, and how it's important to keep a balance as to how we feel. So those are I guess if I have to identify 3, those would be major on my list.
Great.